Hi all, this is Maria from Needus Academy. Today we are going to talk about one of the most scoring parts of IELTS exam, the listening test. If you struggle to catch every detail or lose focus halfway through the audio, this video is just for you. First of all, it is important to understand what is IELTS listening test. Let's start with the basics. The IELTS listening test has 4 sections and 40 questions in total. You will hear the recording only once, and the audios become more challenging as you go forward. In the listening test, you will have to answer a variety of questions like multiple choice, map labeling, matching, and fill in the blanks. Now, let's look at some common mistakes that can really affect your score. First one, not reading the questions before the audio starts. Always preview the questions. This will help you to predict the type of information you will hear. Second one, writing answers while listening. If you focus too much on writing, you might miss the next answer. So it is better to note keywords and fill in later. Third one, spelling errors. Even a small spelling mistake can make your answer wrong. So double check before submitting. Fourth one, not checking word limits. If the instruction says no more than 2 words, please follow it strictly. Now, let's look at some tips to improve your listening skills. Tip 1. Listen English every day. Podcast, YouTube videos, or even English news. Tip 2. Practice identifying synonyms. IELTS often paraphrase information. For example, car might be replaced by vehicle. Tip 3. Improve your concentration. Listening test is long, so practice focusing for 30 minutes straight. Tip 4. Anticipation. Learn to predict the answers by reading the questions before the audio. If you are aiming for band 8 and above, here is my advice. Don't just practice randomly. Analyze your mistakes after every test. Ask yourself, did I miss it because I didn't hear it or I didn't understand the accent? Once you identify your weak area, you will start improving faster. That's all for today's video. I hope that this video will be helpful for you. See you in the next video. Thank you.
വിദേശ വിദ്യാഭ്യാസമാണോ നിങ്ങളുടെ ലക്ഷ്യം? IELTS ഈസിയായി ക്രാക്ക് ചെയ്യാം നീതൂസ് അക്കാഡമിയിലൂടെ.